This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Friday, August 28, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. Equities staged a sharp late session reversal today, but the disconnect between extreme fear and low volatility pricing is the real story. With the VIX holding near 15 while crypto sentiment hits 15 out of 100, the market is pricing in calm while the macro backdrop grows hawkish. Let's get the data.
Good afternoon. On Friday, August the 28th, the S&P 500 closed at $771.10, up 0.6%. The Nasdaq 100 led the way, gaining 1.4% to $721.11. The Dow added 0.2% to $535.22. Small caps, the Russell, edged up 0.3% to $299.81.
A sharp rotation into tech, but what drove the intraday whipsaw? Let's check the corporate flow.
Corporate headlines were mixed, but the earnings narrative is shifting. Core Scientific turned lower after its fourth quarter results disappointed, weighing on the broader crypto mining sector. Meanwhile, Ethena saw its token rise 10% as the project put revenue-funded buybacks to a vote.
Earnings are mixed, but the macro backdrop is where the pressure is building. Let's look at the economic data. The headline today is the disconnect between sentiment and policy reality. Crypto fear and greed is at 14 out of 100 extreme fear, yet the VIX is near 15. This is a classic contrarian setup, but the macro data is not backing the calm. With inflation sticky and the Fed signaling patience, risk assets are feeling the heat. Let's check the risk desk.
The risk signal today is the FX regime shift. The US dollar against the yen has jumped above its 100-day moving average. This is a technical breakout that signals a potential structural shift in the yen, driven by US yields holding firm near 4.67%.
So we have a hawkish Fed, sticky inflation, and a yen breakout. What's next?
Here is what to watch. First, NVIDIA earnings are critical. As Bitcoin eyes $81,000, NVIDIA's performance will dictate whether the AI narrative can sustain the Nasdaq's reversal. We are also tracking the Ethena buyback vote for sentiment in the crypto space.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.